I'm out in my front yard right now because I am planning on cleaning up all of our Halloween decorations, our pumpkins, all the things on the porch that and in the yard that need to be put away or thrown away. So I thought I would bring you with me, and then after that I need to clean up my house because it's been put off because of Halloween and sports and stuff like that. So stick around and we'll get some cleaning done. It's Saturday, it's beautiful outside, it's a little chilly, it's in the 40s, but I feel like that's perfect cleaning weather because I shouldn't get hot. So all right, let's get started. I hope you had nice weather for Halloween. We had quite nice weather. It was just a little chilly with a lot of wind, and our ghost just couldn't handle it towards the end of the evening. He finally fell over. We haven't had Halloween decorations like these blow-up figurines in years, but this year I was determined to get some because we recently had a renovation to our elementary school, and the kindergartners were moved right down the street from me. So every day when they get out of kindergarten, they walk right past my house. As soon as I realized that on the first or second day of school, I told my husband I couldn't wait for the holidays because I wanted to put something really cute in the front yard for the kids to see every day when they walk by. My husband and I ended up picking these up at the at-home store, and we ended up getting a pretty good deal. I think they were both on sale, but they ended up being super friendly and fun, and they were perfect for the school-age kids that walk down our street every day. I don't think I've ever gotten rid of carved pumpkins so fast in my life before, but these were covered in bugs because of how warm the weather was this week, and I was ready to say goodbye to them. I took off my porch goose's witch costume and went ahead and pulled off my fall pillows from the porch swing. I also decided to take down my fall flag, and my mums were pretty dead, so I went ahead and got rid of those as well. I kind of want to get back to a clean slate before I start decorating for Christmas. Moving into my Breezeway, I put all of the pillows that I had pulled off the porch, my goose's little costume, and then I had several Halloween decorations or fall themed decorations that I was ready to put back into storage in this room. So I decided to pack them all up into this storage bin, and my husband's going to take it up to our attic later today. Here I am actually packing up a few Christmas decorations that were left over from a Aldi Christmas haul video that I made a few days ago. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Finally, I just grabbed a few stragglers from a Costco trip I took a few days ago, and the Breezeway is done. Trying to stick to basics when I clean my kitchen today, just getting the dishes done, all the surfaces wiped off, all the clutter taken care of. And I am going to add one little cleaning project, was just cleaning the outside of my refrigerator. I'm tackling the task of cleaning the outside of my refrigerator today. It's a tedious task and one that I don't do often because I have to remove everything off of the front of the refrigerator to do it. But aside from just needing to clean it in general, I also wanted to eliminate some of the clutter on the front of the fridge. I really do love displaying my kids and their accomplishments on the front of my fridge, but sometimes I forget about things and I leave them on for too long, and today was the day that I was going to take some of these things down and store them. Okay, into our dining room / breakfast nook area. I really just needed to clean up all of the Halloween treats that I had left out from Halloween night. We had some trick-or-treaters, not a ton, but I definitely had a lot of leftovers. So I really just wanted to get everything organized, situated, and all put away. In case you're wondering, that clown is Giggles the clown. We inherited him from my husband's work years ago, and I used to be really scared of him, but now he's just kind of part of the family. All of my dogs really wanted to make cameo appearances in today's video, so you'll see them especially in this clip of my living room. Here I'm just really tidying up and putting away some fall items and some Halloween items, as well as picking up all of their dog toys that they throw all over my living room every single day. Sometimes when I'm watching cleaning videos of perfect homes, I wonder where their Xboxes are or where their revolving fans are for their husbands who are hot all the time. Am I the only one with these odds and ends? As you may have seen or heard in a previous video, my oldest daughter moved out recently, and her bedroom was the biggest one in the whole house. So my teenage son decided that he wanted to take that room over, and now I have this extra bedroom. This is his old bedroom. He ended up not taking this dresser down into his big bedroom, and I'm going to be using this bedroom as a YouTube studio. Decided to steer clear of doing any major renovations to this room, including even painting. I just want a budget-friendly, easy transition to a YouTube studio. So I have been taking things from other parts of my house and adding it to this room in an effort to make it a little more aesthetically pleasing, as well as film-friendly for things like shopping hauls or one-on-one chats. As soon as I get the room situated, I'll update and give you guys a grand tour. This fan was so dusty and my son was not great at keeping it clean, so I had to give it a nice dusting. When I was almost ready to walk out of this room, I decided I could not leave the room without cleaning the baseboards. They were so dusty, so I went and got a hot rag with some soap on it and went to work. All right, well, that's going to do it for today. And I could clean all day and all night. There's always something else to clean, but I'm going to end it here. And go do other things with my family because it is Saturday. So I just wanted to thank you again for your support. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.